Bailey. Wait, come back. Watch this. Bailey. Where's the birds? There's quail. They're in the bushes. Where's the quail? Where's the birds? Over here. They're out the window. They're right over here. Bailey. Hello. Focus. Do you see them? Where are you going? The birds are they're outside. They're okay. That didn't work. Do you smell food? Oh, that's why. Food first, right? That's my lunch in the microwave. Some leftovers. So that's why you're not chasing the birds, because you smell food? You smell food? Beagles are nose first. How about the birds? Want to go look for the birds? There's quail, they're outside. They're in the bushes. Are you gonna go get them? Yeah, no.